Good morning, guys. Guys? I'm gonna feed them breakfast. Red, blue, me, black, white, green, and red. Fat red. Dinner is served. Breakfast is served. Hey, they got early start. Come on, guys, it's sleeping. Dun, 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 dun.
What a neat boy!
Dun, 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 dun.
You see, I was up in a tree and I thought it'd be funny if I
Whee!
gave you a surprise. Oh, you gave me a surprise, all right. Look at the surprise I got. Get out of here, idiot boy. Well, I guess that means there's only one place left to go. A place where I'm wanted, whether they like it or not. SpongeBob SquarePants reporting for duty, Mr. Krabs.
Hurry up and get in there, boy. And he's neat flipping.
No worries, Captain.
Where are the pigs?
Holidays work. Now back to doing what I do best.
And the birds haven't got the slingshot yet. Just wait for the pigs and the birds. And their eggs are still here. Alright. The eggs aren't here. We're bringing the eggs with us, okay?
Are you okay?
We're bringing the eggs with us, okay? We're here, guys. So we're bringing the eggs with us, so the pigs won't get them.
Get as far away from me as possible, idiot boy.
I guess that's it then. If Mr. Krabs is calling me idiot boy, it must be true. I know what must be done.
Oh, slow day. Eat.
I somehow managed to make everyone mad at me. At least you still like me, right there.
Huh? They haven't touched their food yet.
I'll miss you too, but barely a year's supply of snail food for you. Goodbye, Pineapple. Goodbye, Squidward. Goodbye, Patrick. Goodbye, Cindy. Goodbye, Bikini Bottom. Goodbye, life as I know it. Welcome to Bikini Bottom.
Gone.
Population 538.
Gone.
Minus
Gone. Gone. Where did the Angry Birds go? Shh. Where did the Angry Birds go? Go.